Hey everyone, I am back with another unboxing video. So I have this pretty semi-heavy box. So let's go on ahead and open it up. Okay, so what we have is tea. Tejava is made with select tea leaves from the island of Java. Now, this is not your ordinary tea that you would get at your local grocery store. Created by using more of a unique microbrewing. So it goes through a microbrewing system compared to your ordinary tea that you have at home that you just steep it maybe for 1 minute or so, 1 or 2 minutes. This goes through a variation of different microbrewing systems. Now, this tea is 0 calories and it has 0 sugars, no preservatives at all, and it offers a more smooth and bold taste, just like if you was to freshly brew a tea bag at home. But it's all in a bottle, as is. No calories, no sugars, almost like you brewed a fresh tea bag. Good thing about it is you can enjoy it hot and you can enjoy it over some ice for a nice cold iced tea. All you have to do, heat it on up, add your additives that you typically use in your teas. I typically use lemon and honey. That's all I need. But I know some people use cream, sugar, just like to drink it without adding anything. But you do have the option to enjoy it hot or cold, either or. Also, it comes in 6 different flavors. I got the raspberry one. The other flavors will be original black tea, lemon, mint, peach, pineapple, mango, and of course, raspberry. Now, to grab yours, go ahead and visit Amazon.com, and you can also visit Tejava.com.